Well, this is this is another commentary. No headphones again, no sound, no nothing. Can't communicate with any of my teammates, so please bear with me as I go through this shit without no sound. I can't hear nothing, man. I'm just sitting. I'm a sitting duck. I can't see. Well, I can see, but you know, I can't hear. And it sucks pretty bad.
Securing Bravo.
Oh, I just stuck it to the pipe. Good throw, Trump. Good throw. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Hop on B. Hop on B. No? You don't want to hop on B? Oh, I'll pick up. Oh. Oh! He was behind me. Oh, he got a 2-piece. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm gonna trail Chaos. No, I'm not going with them. I'm gonna head underground, take the long way.
Securing Bravo.
Oh, he almost got me.
Securing Charlie.
No, there's two left side. Green.
Charlie.
And they're green.
Secure.
Come on, guys. Don't let them get B. Don't let them. Alright, that's fine. We got C. Alright, let's hold it. Watch out, they might be pushing A. Nope. I'm gonna hop on there with you, Jeffy. Jeff on fire.
Bravo secure. Enemy has Charlie.
Oh. My aim is off right now. This is only my second game, so you guys gotta bear with me. As I said, no. Oh shit! Right up the stairs in Owens. See, I could have prevented that if I probably would have hurt him, but you know. What? Oh, of course the Ripper. And he... Alright, yeah, he shoots me through a pole. Okay. Oh, he's... Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Alright. Let's get it.
Securing Bravo.
Nice.
Losing Bravo.
What? Yeah. Hop on B. Oh shit, there's two on B. Damn.
Enemy has B.
God, I wish I had some headphones, man.
Securing Bravo.
Someone hop on here with me. Thank you, Jeffy. Jeffify.
I see you.
Oh shit, coming on.
Keep fighting. Let's win this one.
Rotate the right side. All three of them are red, dude.
Losing B. Sleight of hand.
Let's go, baby.
Losing Bravo. We lost Bravo. Enemy has B. Special.
Oh shit, I ran out of bullets, dude. I am messed up. I need I was gonna go knife him. That didn't work out. Still 12-6. With no mic. No. No nothing. Yeah. Well, I thought that was good. I'll take it.